So in this video, I'm gonna be playing the Rise of Jumbotron because I filmed half of the Rise of the Jumbotron, but so I'm gonna be playing that today. But I'm not gonna be talking because my voice is like very annoying for me, and when I listen to the video, it's just very annoying. So I'm just gonna like keep it quiet, so you guys can enjoy the video. And eating food or something, or just reacting to it. So, oh yeah, you guys like my new avatar? I'm balding right now. Look at me. No hair, guys. No hair. See? Okay, let's try.
So.
Do you want to try it with 3 or wait for 4?
No, I don't care. I've done it with 2 before.
Got him.
I haven't played in years, so like I don't know. I'm probably gonna be rusty.
Game on.
So how do you guys feel about people wrecking dying?
All personnel, please proceed to the evacuation zone.
Anybody want a shotgun?
Oh shit.
What's up with my real gun? It won't shoot. Let's try it again.
Is there still a way to... Oh no,
Way to what? Where'd he go?
there used to be a way you can jump through the wall here. But I don't know, I haven't played in years, so... I used to be the pro wreck.
He got me. Thanks, Red. What?
Oh.
Flight to Sector 17. All passengers must prepare for takeoff to the escape vessel. 3, 2, 1.
Dying in this room. I usually drop my favorite weapon. Ooh, this is a good group. Alright, I'm gonna hang back and just be a reviver if needed.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I saw you from
Potato. That's okay. I shot you.
Oh. We're just all shooting each other.
It's still better than most groups, so I'm happy camper. I'm happy.
Sorry.
Nope, it's all right. I'm usually the one blowing up that last barrel because I just can't stand it. No, I can't either. I'm try to get involved. Oh, red one.
Flyers.
I missed everything.
Just a minute.
It was eating your lunch. That was me.
Blast her in the face.
Isn't there one more? On up. All right. Okay, I can hide on the other end, or I can stay on this end. Where's everybody going? I don't have a
I
preference.
can do. I don't have a preference either. I'll go.
Usually I go to the
top
corner on the right side.
Okay, I'll go top left.
Okay,
If
I'll
you
go
like
to the
the-
front behind the boxes then up here.
Okay.
That's that.
Yeah, I'll go to
Okay.
the left.
Oh, wait.
Yep.
Okay, I'll swap guns when we get in there.
Yeah, as long as we stay in
Distance and brother. You made it all the way here, but you'll never bring me down. Let the games begin.
Love it when a plan comes together. Oh, bigger than film. I don't know that all the years I've played this game I've ever used film.
Yeah, no.
So how do you guys
Go
feel
on.
about the game ending?
Ah,
Or like dying?
this is the main one I
Ready to
play.
start.
It's kind of sad for me. Oh, that's my real gun.
I'm so disappointed. Between this and paintball.
There's so many pop-ups that are coming up now, so I'm hoping they're going to have an alternate.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't played this game in years, so I decided to come back.
Yeah, it's like an explosion of people. I just can't believe they would just let it go. They could do something to keep it. 3 point.
I'll go
For
again.
the video, we
Okay.
update this.
Maybe it's a publicity stunt to get more people to come back.
Yo, what good,
Yeah,
everyone?
'cause
I
it
had to
has.
do this voice because
Definitely
my voice
has.
was too quiet for everyone to hear, so I was saying that we beat the game with no
Okay,
voice
come
and have a
on.
good
Find your
day and
weapons
peace
in
out,
from here,
everyone.
too.
Yeah.